Greetings one, greetings to all, and in the bus stop I'm going to catch the bus to Mould to watch Mould versus Denbigh. Come on Denbigh. Woo! That's Ian Evans on his way to Mould. Haha! Bloody hell, I'm getting a lift! This is fantastic! It's Big Paul stopped to give me a lift. This is great news, I've got a lift to Mould from Big Paul. Thanks Paul. Whee! Can I have a lift back as well?
Maybe.
Double whee. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in Mould and we're just turning off into the name of the ground which escapes me. It's down here. I caught a bus and I'm here before you. They were late, weren't they?
Oh.
Cavs too late. Okay, can you see me?
No.
Okay, we're at Mould Alex and I've got a nice cup of coffee.
Is that right?
The players are warming up behind over here. Can you see? Let's have a look. They're kicking balls into touch mainly. And afterwards, when the game starts, we're going to have a look around the ground and look at some of the
Don't move your head.
some of the features of the Allen Stadium. Cheers for now.
Denbigh Town side, number 1, Jamie Hull, number 2, Matthew Allison, number 3, Kevin Jones, number 4, Liam Byrne, number 5, Mark Orr, number 6, Jamie Hobson, number 7, Chris Williams, number 8, Kevin Evans, number 9, Calvin Davis, number 10, Ian Evans, and number 11, Kenny Burgess. Substitute for Denbigh, number 12, John Roberts, number 14, Gareth Martin, number 15, Darren Cassidy, and number 16, Steve Jones.
Here come Denbigh and they're playing in yellow tonight. That's a lucky sign.
Oh, Ron Evans, get on the call sheet, look. Come on, Calvin, look through it. Come on, we'll see.
Well, it's a very cold evening. Behind me, you can see probably behind me, Mould have got a secondary pitch. Not quite full size, but a nice training pitch behind me. And of course they've got the main Allen Stadium and the game's going on behind me. Early in the first half, Mould should have probably been ahead. A great cross came in from the left and their big fella up front, he headed one over the bar.
Get up, we'll see! Jamie, you got 15 yards on that! Referee! Matty, send him up into circle!
Oh dear, well, I'm not sure how many minutes have gone. It's probably about 15 minutes or something and Mould have just scored. Oh dear. It's a corner to Denbigh, an opportunity for Denbigh to strike back. Ebbs back to Kenny B. Burgess across the box, and it comes a header off the line, a header by Calvin, and a great save by the keeper. Hey, there's a free kick now to Denbigh. Ooh. Headed away. Red light comes on. Okay, are we live? Are we live, Paul?
Yes.
That's a yes. Okay, half time here. 1-0 to Mould. What can I tell you? First of all, probably it's an even match. Do Mould deserve to be ahead? Possibly just. Only out of hunger, a desire to get the ball. But of course, Denbigh are going to be a second half team. I'm going to come back and win. We will win, we can do better, we will do better. And I will love it. I will love it if we beat these. Come on, this is a message to the best supporters in the world. Let's be having you. Where are you? Let's be having you. Okay, enjoy the second half. You know what? It is a lovely setup here. I love it under lights. It gives an atmosphere. Oh, it's a good ball in. Kelvin. Oh, it's gone in, surely.
That was in.
Well, that looked in. Perfect header, great cross.
Play Mike.
Referee! Oh, lucky. Okay, a chance for Denbigh. We've got a throw in. We were just saying that maybe it's got 1-0 this game. Let's hope not. Oh, referee! Kenny Burgess has gone down in a heap.
Go on, Ken. Go on.
Oh, corner. More action. Well, we've had all that pressure and Mould have gone up the other end and scored from a corner. Steve Jones has been sent off. I think he may appeal that one because it wasn't him doing the blasting. 2-0, I think that's about it. Handball! Well, sad times here. Mould have had a breakaway. We've had a lot of pressure and unfortunately Mould have broken away. Gone right down the other end and scored. 3-0 to Mould. Good night, Vienna. A chance to retaliate. Get something from the game. A goal. Let's get a goal.
Right. That's it, tight. All day.
Final score here from Mould. People are starting to leave. Mould 3, Denbigh 0. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, lads, we're back in the car, and unfortunately we've lost. Unlucky, I thought. I thought we played all right, and we had no protection off the referee. Bad news. It's gone from bad to worse. Liverpool are winning. I never hear the end of it. Paul wants to go for a McDonald's. He's been pestering all night. I want to go for a McDonald's, he says. Also, he's Nesh because. Oh, I thought for a minute Liverpool had let one in. Unfortunately not. And Paul is pestering for McDonald's. And he's cold. And it's not even winter yet. Anyway, I'm reporting now, saying goodbye for now until maybe I'll do some. Maybe we'll speak again when we get to McDonald's. McDonald's, I'm loving it. Okay, it's not been the best evenings, but it's going to finish on a high note. Look at this. A Big Mac.